Loretta and I, we're excited. We're about to have people come into our home, right?
Yes.
Now this is something different. Hey, this is for our Mastermind Meetup. Those of you who are going to be joining us in Birmingham, Loretta and I want to welcome you. Welcome you into our home. Welcome you to Birmingham. And we just want you to know that you're in for an experience, okay? We like to say, let your expectations be of God. Where do we get that from?
Yeah, I don't know. I thought you came up with that.
No, I didn't. That's the scripture. But Mr. Cam always says that. Let your expectations be of God. He don't really give people a whole lot of agenda, right?
Okay.
All right, okay. So what do we want to do here?
Hey, just say welcome. We are so excited. And Frederick has been planning for this, and he can hardly sleep, guys.
Well, now
he is just so.
I go to sleep.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Not a lot of sleep because
I go to sleep.
you guys have really been on his mind.
Yeah. So we want to just welcome you to Birmingham, and Loretta. You know, we've done a lot of different type of meetups, and this is our second one. Yeah, this is the second one. The last time, what was it like to have people come into the home, and what was that like?
Wow, it was eye-opening for me and for the kids too, because we really got a look at to what you actually do.
Oh, you mean the kids? We're talking about the kids, the grandkids?
The grandkids, the daughters.
Yeah.
You know, because we had family over and everything, and just got a real look at to what you actually do and the impact that you have in other people's lives.
Now, we're not sure if the family, if everybody's going to be able to make it over this weekend or not, but we're going to invite them, and we'll see what they got some things going on. But we'll see how that all pans out. The other thing I want to say is Loretta, I want you to talk to me about when we did our one-on-one. We did a one-on-one. We don't know, let's just say this, we don't know how many people are going to be showing up. A lot of people expressed interest. A lot of people were invited. I don't know how many people are going to be here. It might be 1. It might be 2. It could be 3, 4, 5. We don't know exactly how many are going to be here. We know the invitation has been sent out, but I do know this. One-on-ones are very, very important. Yeah. And we've been learning about, Loretta and I have been learning about disciple making. And that's the model that we have really turned this business into, a disciple making model. What do you think about that, Loretta?
I think that's awesome because the disciple making model is really having someone basically model after you.
Model after you, be like you. Luke 6:39 and 40. Luke 6:39 and 40. So, but Loretta, tell them what it was like before you joined me in that study. You joined me in that study. And what I've been on a study almost 3 years, 2 to 3 years. We were studying disciple making. And at first, Loretta wasn't chiming in. But then ultimately, you decided to jump in. And what was it like to get you to jump in?
I did. Well, like I would tell everyone, I would be just around in the house just listening to him because I really didn't understand how he could sit in front of the computer for an extra 2 hours or so after we had gotten from church. But the more I listened, and it was just the method of study that you guys were doing, and you went in depth. You did some really in-depth studying, and it just really impressed me. It really awakened me to really just want to know what he was learning because I want to know it too.
All about disciple making. So listen, we want to welcome you. You are welcome. You're going to be in for a treat.
Yeah.
Every time I get a chance to spend time with my clients and mentor and model and pour into you. But I want you to know this. Let your expectations be of God. Just expect God, number 1. Number 2, don't have any preconceived agenda ideas, okay? We're going to, as Mr. Cameron say, let it do what it do. We're going to let it do what it do. And number 3, expect it to be different, okay? Just expect it to be different. Number 4, expect it to be simple. Expect it to be simple. And number 5, expect it to be massively impactful. Oh, wow. Your lives are going to be changed. You're going to be you're just going to be changed, and that's just the best way I can put it. But God's going to do the changing, and we're just going to be instruments. And the food's going to be good. Tell them about the food, man.
Frederick loves to cook. Remember,
I like to cook.
He loves to cook, and we love feeding people. We love entertaining here, and we are, like he said from the very beginning, we are so looking forward to you guys being here with us.
All right, so we just wanted to drop in and give you this welcome and tell you that we're looking forward to it. we love you all. We're praying for you. We're praying for safe travel,
Yes.
and we'll look forward to y'all being here shortly. Okay,
Yes.
how about that shortly? Okay,
Shortly.
all right.
Thanks.
Blessings to y'all. We'll see
Hey,
y'all soon.
bye, guys.
Can't wait to see you. Bye bye.
Yes.